Hey guys, so last video I created the reverse string.c program, and here it is, and you can run it, see what it does. You take in a string like hi, and it reverses it. So the string hi reversed is ih. Now what we did is we used the already made functions for us, the gets function, the string reverse function, and the string copy function to get it to work. This time I would like to basically create the reverse string function from scratch. So first what we're going to do is we're going to import stdio.h or include it, and go ahead and include string.h for now. We may or may not need it. So integer main, we're going to return a value. This time I'm going to return 365. Why not? As long as I return a value. And because I'm on Windows, system pause. Again, this is not needed if you're not on Windows. And what we're going to do is we're going to have a string. I'm going to call it char string of size 31. And string is going to equal, let's say, Ghostbusters. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so we have that, and let's do a print statement. The string is %s \n, and then we're gonna put in string semicolon, and let's go ahead and run this. Save as a .c file on the tutorial. That's fine. We're just gonna call it reverse and save. Let's see if it runs. Assignment to expression with an array type. So it looks like I can't do that. So let's try this. I'm gonna make this a char pointer. Let's run that there, and there we go. So we can see that the string is Ghostbusters. Okay, so now we want to reverse this string. So let's printf the string in reverse is, and that's fine. Oops, put a semicolon here. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a for loop. So we need a iterative, something to iterate through a variable. We're going to use I. It's pretty standard. For I equals 0, I is going to be less than the string length of string. And string length, I plus, string length is from the string.h library. So this is where we get the string length function from. Okay, and here, actually what we're going to do, this right here will loop through the string. So let's actually just see if it loops through the string. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do printf, and we're going to do %c, and for each one of those we're going to do string position I and then semicolon. So let's see if this works. I'm really not sure. So the string is Ghostbusters, the string in reverse is Ghostbusters. Press any key to continue. So good, we're going through character by character. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a printf here, and we're just going to print the next line. Oh man, all this autocomplete. Okay, so now let's look at it again, and we can see the string is Ghostbusters. The string in reverse is Ghostbusters. So what it's doing is it's going through each character in the string. So I want to reverse it. So what I do is I'll set the character, instead of the array starting at 0, it's going to start at the last element in the array, which is the length of the array minus 1, and it's going to go while I is greater than 0. And then we're going to decrement I instead of increment it each time. So now we run this. The string is Ghostbusters. The string in reverse is SRETSUBTSOH. Okay, so we're missing one letter here. We're missing the G. So why is that? This will go as long as I is less than or equal to 0, because we never included 0. Run it again, and now we get the Ghostbusters string in reverse. So that's how we would basically write the reverse function. And if we want to make it look a little bit prettier, we can actually make it a function. So void reverse. And what it's going to do is it's going to take in a char pointer, and we're going to call it str. So we're just defining it, and I'm going to take that here. I'm going to actually create it down here, and notice that it's void, so it doesn't return anything. And we're going to take this and place it in here. And wherever we see string, we're just going to make it str, because that's the parameter that we're passing in. And where we want to reverse the string, we'll just call the reverse function. And the reverse function is going to take in a string, specifically a string called string. And now let's see if it still works. And it does. The string in reverse is SRETSUBTSOHG. So it worked. So this is our custom reverse function, reverse here, where before we used the strrev function. So this is almost how it works. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next tutorial.